Well, good afternoon. This is Murray coming to you from Ol'Reds Garage today. We had a mini split installed in our garage so that I can work on Old Red during the summer and keep halfway cool. So I had a contractor install the AC system for me, but I need to insulate the garage door. So I'm putting this on with double-sided tape, and the double-sided tape is just temporary until I put the styrofoam on the outside of this, and the styrofoam will actually hold this barrier in. This barrier just to keep the sun blocked a little bit and the UV rays. So the barrier goes on first, then the styrofoam insulation, and we're gonna cool this garage. So cutting the foil and installing it was relatively easy. And this is not quite so easy. This cellophane is a little tough to work with in that it makes a big mess. It's not difficult to cut, just cut it with a razor blade. And I keep telling myself I need to buy a project table. Don't have much room in my garage to do things, but anyway, maybe the next project I'll get a table. So I just measure, cut, and on the back side of this cellophane there is already some pre-cut lines that help the cellophane bend. So you just sort of cut it to fit and then bend it and press it in. So there you go. I'm probably 75% complete. I need to cut some template to work with the upper area around the windows. That'll be a little bit tricky, and I need to get that done probably next week. But yeah, this will insulate the garage a bit, and my air conditioning system is working great, so it's time to get back to work on Old Red. So thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Ol'Reds Garage channel. Good day.